So welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I have imported this model into this Substance Painter over here. So already I have baked this maps over here, as you can see. So I have different elements over here for all. So let's start the texturing stuff. So very first of all, I have some reference over here which I have opened up. So we'll not use the same, but we can slightly change it. So let's go into this, and I'll go into this materials. We can take some materials. So we'll take a metal over here. Let's go into this and let's go with some metal stuff. So I have one material, that's steel paint, another is steel painted scrap dirty steel painted, and this is what I like it. So let's just take this steel painted. So let's just assign the material. So after you assigned it, so let's go into this and let's see the texture set is 1024 for now. Let's go down and into the paint material. Let's go over here into the color, and we can see the color is a bit different. I can go with some other color if needed, or make it a bit darker. Alright, so we do have again the rust stuff. Okay, we can just keep that over here. Select this. So that's a generator over here which has been assigned. So you can just make this as random if needed. Alright, so let's go up. Metal also we do have it. So if you want, you can go with the roughness as well. Let's go into this and let's take a steel painted over here on top of it. So this is looks like more of a worn over here, so worn out texture. So I'll just delete it. Steel painted would be a bit better. Oh, it's very bright. We do have this. Okay, we can go with this. Okay, much better. So let's take again a black mask, and I'll add a generator, and let's give a metal edge blur a bit. So you can go into this. We can increase this wear level a bit if needed, slightly. So again I'll off this over here. Let's go over here. Let's go into this polygon fill, and we can just make it black. We can remove this. That's very easy. I cannot paint on this, but I can paint on this. So just click over here and we can just click on this polygon fill, mesh fill. So click on this. Oops, I cannot remove it. Just a sec. Okay. So what we'll do is, we'll do one thing. I'll again go into this. I'll assign one more material. So it's better we go into this and let's assign some steel paint material. Let's assign a steel paint material on top of it. Okay. So we'll make it a bit rough material. That would be much better. So if you could have, made it on a different ID, that would be much better. So I'll just type metal. So I knew it, this is going to be a problem over here. So I'll just make give a grunge over here. Just give a grunge material. Okay, not a problem. Now into this, let's take a mask and alright, so we can just click over here in this way. So I can just remove that particular area which is not required. So instead of this grunge metal, we can go with some steel gun. That's also a good metal. So I can even assign this metal if needed. Okay. So again, I'll go over here, add a black mask, and we'll just remove this. From it. So I'm just subtracting this. So we are using a polygon fill over here. So definitely we'll be making those changes over here. So just keep on clicking all of this. Alright. So let's go to the side elements as well. So if you make this white, it's going to remove that. So I've taken a different mask over here. So make this as black in this way. Make sure everything is selected perfectly. Alright, so let's just make this white and paint it again. So I'll just save the file once over here. So first let's save that. Once it gets saved, we can proceed further. It's taking time. All right. Similarly, again make this part. Okay, no, this is going to be as it is. So let's do this. So let's first do this quickly. So let's make this white and just click it. All right. So once this is done, go back over here, go into this, go into the paint color. We can make it black if needed. We can even change we can do the changes if needed. All right. You can give a height map if needed. All right. Now go down for this. For the rust, so texture variation you can assign it. So you have this scratches parameter as well. So you can go into this. You have this wear level. You can increase or decrease this wear level if needed. Over here. Also, go into this. So I can just remove this metalness if needed. All right. can do some variations. So this is totally on one place itself. Again go down, go into the metal. So we can give some color if needed, height, roughness. Okay, we'll just keep it as it is, metallic. I'll just off this layer. Now again go over here. We could have gone with some other material as well if needed. We can go with this rusty material as well. We have gone with the grunge. So again you can put some metal stuff on top of it if needed. Still rust you have. So you can black mask. So you can just add again a generator, metal edge, fiber. You can slightly increase the wear level if needed. So we can increase the wear level. Okay. So we'll just keep it as it is. So if we have some logo over here, we can go with some logo. So we can just go over here. So we can just download some of the logo over here if needed. That's lagging. Can just write some name. Can just take any of the names. We can take it in the form of PNG. That would be better. So let's just save this. Let's see, hope it comes in the form of PNG. So I can go into this. Let's go over here into the library, and you can just click over here, add resource. Let's go to the desktop, and you can just take this image, open over here. So let's set it as a texture, current session, import it. So the texture has come over here. I'll again go to the top. So let's take a fill layer. If you want, I can just take a fill layer, add a black mask, and I can just assign it over here directly if needed. You can directly use as a paint layer. So take it as a base color, and this is what, how much tiling you need, you can do that. You can place it. So that's your projection settings over here. Wherever you want, you can, we can just place it in this way. All right. So again, I'll save the file once. It's taking time. So it's a bit heavy file. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. The reason is the UVs are tilted. So that's the reason it's coming tilted. So if you want, you can just check this in 2048. Let's see how it looks like. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.